Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create pages in your Shopify store. This tutorials is for very beginner who just started using Shopify in this year, in this month or today. So I hope you will enjoy this tutorials because it will be very helpful and easy for you. So let's get started and go to my computer screen and let me show you everything very clearly and create your Shopify pages. To do this, first you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the online store and then you can see that there is a option named pages. You have to click on it. When you click on the pages, you will find another new interface and you have to click on the add page button. And now I am ready to create page. First, I have to add a title of my page. For example, I'm going to add a title name, our history, and going to add few content in here. Okay, added the content. Also we can add images in here, so just click on here, then press enter, add media or insert media, and now we are ready to add image in here. So I'm going to add this image size wallpaper that will be large. Okay, and click on the save. Okay, so we have created our page. Now going to our store home page. You can see that there is no menu item in the menu that's name our history. If I reload again, you can see that no menu item name our history. So how we can add this menu item in the menus? Okay, to do this we have to go to the admin panel again, then click on the navigation, then click on the main menu and going to click on the add menu item, then search in here, then click in here, click on the pages. Here is the menu, here is the page our history, just click on it, then click on the add. Now we can drag and drop it in here, our history, click on the save. Now go back in the home page again, reload. Wow, you can see that the pages is displaying in here. So I hope you understand how we can add page or create pages and how we can add these pages in our menu or in our store. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.